Flash floods can originate from a number of different spots. You can get dam breaks, levee breaks, massive amounts of rainfall, typically within about a 6-hour span is what the official definition of a flash flood is. And the end result, though, again, being that unexpected flood. And it's not just a slow-moving flood where you can stand there and watch a creek off in the distance and watch it grow over a period of days. This will just come, rapid rise, could be feet within minutes. You'll get a large amount of water vapor, typically would be how it starts out in the atmosphere, a very saturated atmosphere where it's not really conducive typically to severe weather in terms of tornadoes and hail and things like that. Instead, the water vapor gets sucked up into these storms that oftentimes will be just kind of parading. You'll get what's called training, and that's the term for them, is it's almost like a train of storm after storm after storm, all pulling in moisture. And they just dump massive quantities of rain. Sometimes you can get 10, 12 inches of rain within just a few hour span. If you go over toward, say, India, they get the monsoon season, and they can get some of the same impacts as the desert Southwest. And a big ingredient for flash floods, you either have to have saturated land, which will come in the Midwest, the Southeast, the Northeast, places that get a lot of rain, or in the desert Southwest you can get a lot of flash floods as well. If you're watching water coming through an area that maybe you are familiar with, maybe you drive there every day, if you can't see the road beneath the water, don't try to drive through it. And we always, as meteorologists, we're always saying the line, turn around, don't drown. Everybody has said that. Everybody probably who's not a meteorologist has heard it hundreds of times probably, but it's true. They can occur anywhere. They're more likely to occur in the desert Southwest during the monsoon season, and then also back over the Midwest as you head back into the midsummer months. Not driving through floodwaters is definitely a big thing, and just keep an eye on it. If you can see the road beneath it and you know it's there and you know your car has the clearance to handle it, you might be able to try to do that if it's an off-road vehicle or something like that. But also be aware of hydroplaning, so if you're on the highway and you're just getting dumped on with rainfall, it might be a good idea to pull off so you don't have hydroplaning issues. And another big thing too is just to kind of be aware of your surroundings. If you live in the bottom of a valley and you're getting massive quantities of rain, it might be a good idea to at least consider trying to drive up or walk up somewhere uphill, somewhere a little bit likely to be safer. Keep an eye out. That's what we always say as meteorologists. Keep an eye on the sky, keep an awareness of what's actually going on around you.